So you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe. Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by EdTerra Adventures, committed to truly educational student travel.
Hi, Ni Hao and Vanakkam, which is a warm welcome to all our dear listeners. I'm your host Devanshi, and alongside me is the one and only Shriya. And we're from BK Birla Public School, Kalyan, Maharashtra.
Terra Talk, a platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
Hey there listeners, today we are here to share about the amazing educational journey our school took us on. This was a trip to Singapore which had all the students in the campus buzzing with excitement.
That's right, Shriya. We'll be diving deep into the experiences of our fellow students who embarked on this epic adventure. But first, let's recap our own unforgettable moments.
Oh, where do I even begin, Devanshi? From the breathtaking views to the unexpected encounters, it was a trip for the books.
Absolutely. But let's not steal the spotlight from our guests. Joining us now is Meher, a student from 10th grade. Meher, tell us, what was your initial feeling about the trip and how did you feel once you landed on the island?
Well, thank you for having me here. Initially, I felt excited about the trip to Singapore, anticipating new experiences and adventures. During the EdTerra adventure, my emotions evolved from excitement to curiosity as I immersed myself in diverse culture, tried new foods and explored the vibrant cityscape. I also felt a sense of wonder and awe as I discovered the unique sights and
Wow, you really went through a roller coaster of emotions. Now, let's hear from Neil from class 8th. If you're asked to state a single memory that would stay with you forever, what would it be?
Hey Shriya, entire trip was very exciting. However, one unforgettable memory would undoubtedly be my visit to Universal Studios. The sheer excitement of stepping into the world of my favorite movies and TV shows, experiencing thrilling rides left an unforgettable mark on me which I'll cherish forever.
Wow, that's really something to remember, Neil. You seem like someone who loves thrilling rides. Now, let me ask Arya from grade 9. What was something you learned from this trip?
Oh Devanshi, that's a really great question. I learned a lot from this trip, but I would like to say it in a short. Through the EdTerra adventure in Singapore, I learned about the rich cultural diversity, efficient urban planning, and commitment to sustainability that define the city-state. From exploring bustling markets and serene gardens to understanding Singapore's history and contemporary innovations, the trip provided valuable insights into the dynamic and harmonious blend of tradition and modernity that characterizes Singapore.
That's amazing, Arya. You have learned so many new things in such a short time. Now let's ask Kavya from grade 9th. Singapore, as we know, is technologically advanced. What is one technologically unique concept which you would like to Indians to adapt?
Thank you, Shriya, for asking this question to a tech-savvy person. The technology of Singapore is very advanced. One of them is the Any Water plant. It is a high-grade recycled water produced from treated used water that is further purified using advanced membrane technology and ultraviolet disinfection. It is used to convert wastewater to drinkable water.
That's true, Kavya. That's something us Indians should look forward to. Now, let me ask Shaurya from grade 7th as a student striving for perfection. What improvements would you suggest to our trip?
To enhance the Singapore trip with EdTerra Adventure, consider integrating more interactive cultural activities for deeper engagement. Explore offbeat attractions for a unique perspective and authenticity. Facilitate meaningful interactions with locals to foster a richer understanding of a city-state's cultures and traditions, enriching the overall educational experience.
And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the unforgettable experience of our fellow students on the educational trip.
Thank you, Shishi and Nandri, for joining us today. Goodbye from the students of Birla School.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for new podcasts on edterra.com/Terra Talk.